Hi, everybody. It's Dana
and Linus
with Hitchin Up
Moving On.
And we are at Frank Russell Fishing Pond, just outside of Hamel, Missouri, on the Lake Mark Twain. And it's a beautiful little spot.
Yeah,
and it's a great place to catch a sunset.
Yeah, normally there would be a really pretty sunset right here. Well, we have a lot of clouds tonight, but it's still kind of pretty.
Yeah.
They have a little picnic area here. They have horse trails here.
Multi-use trails as well.
They have fishing for the kids.
Yep. Largemouth bass, not just kids. This isn't a kids pond.
Okay.
Largemouth bass, channel cat, and my favorite, bluegill.
Yeah, and we haven't even tried that. I should have walked down there, had my poles out. This would have been easier to put my boat in. But they have a little trail right here. Little walkout right here. And the reflection of the lake tonight.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Unbelievable. Just really pretty tonight. As you can tell, people walking around the lake.
Yeah, there were people out here doing, I think, engagement pictures and maybe senior pictures.
And if I had got to them in time, I would have did a picture with my drone of them from the air over this lake, and it'd been really pretty.
Look at the little wooden ducks.
Oh, yeah.
I had not noticed those. Aren't those cute?
Yeah. Well, we haven't really walked this trail since we've been here. Yeah. This is one of our favorite trails in the world because it's all concrete.
Paved.
Yeah.
Yep, there are several little picnic tables that are covered.
Oh, sorry. I was looking to see if those might rock.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't
think
so
they're stationary.
If they do, they're right.
There are benches all the way around.
And as you can tell, the geese like this place too.
Oh, yeah.
They're not really in the picture right now, but what they leave is in the picture.
Yes, unfortunately.
But you know, it's a gorgeous sunset.
The pond is down.
Oh yeah.
We're in near drought conditions around here, so the pond is down considerably.
I think it's been over a month or two since we've had any kind of sort of rain that would have helped anything at all.
There's a cute little island in the middle. I don't think they allow swimming here. But
no, you're not.
One of my cousins dared me to swim out to the island.
Oh, this does not go all the way around, or does it?
Oh, maybe it doesn't.
Well, there's a path up there that goes around that way.
Oh, that's part of the multi-use trail, I
guess
think.
so. I think that's just a grass trail that goes around it.
Maybe it is.
But we're going to do it. That's what we come out to do. There's a bobber out there. Still looking for a fish.
Right.
You don't find very many COE parks that put stuff like this in for you to do, you know?
Yeah, it's a very special campground. It really is. They have an equestrian camping area with stables, and they have an archery range, plus an archery trail with model animals. It's a fascinating place. It really is.
Down by the dam, they actually have a shooting range.
They do.
Which we've heard go off many a times. Down there, a lot of people shooting. But yeah, this is pretty.
Guess you kind of walk the levee up here.
Yeah, the dam they built for it to keep water back. Levee dam. I can see there being some bluegill in here.
Oh yeah.
This looks like a wonderful bluegill rake and a lot of gotta watch where you walk. I don't want to carry that back in the camper.
No.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me. No one can guess I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na na na. Shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
Yeah, this is Frank Russell. If you get a chance, come here and check out our video on this place.
Yeah.
We did a video on it.
Oh, yeah, we went site by site.
Yeah. It's a pretty neat video, and they was improving it when we came through.
Mhm.
Now they have the sign up that says fully improved, fully done. basically what we seen last time is the same thing we've seen this time.
Right, right.
But I don't
Almost
think
everything, almost all the sites have poured concrete and are full hookup.
Yeah.
With the exception of like 7 or 8 electric only in the Johanna group.
Yeah, and
or
I think
Joanna
I was
loop.
telling her, I think they maybe do that to keep the cost down for people that don't want to pay full hookup. They just want electric site, and that would be, you know, just pretty cheap here. It's $30 a night. I know for full hookup. Of course, we have the COE card and we get it for $15. But I guess probably, I don't know, $15, maybe $20 a night. I haven't looked at the site to see what they were. You know, a lot of parks, it used to be like $9 a night for just electric site. So, but anyhow, another pretty view of this awesome lake from the other side. And that is a really pretty view.
It's beautiful.
Especially with the sun coming down tonight.
It is so still tonight.
Yeah.
That is like a sheet of glass.
Over when we was in downtown here,
Hannibal.
We noticed some of the leaves are starting to change a little bit on some of the trees. Not
Yes.
drastically, but we did notice some color. And the drone footage on that is really pretty.
That was our free day. We visited places in Hannibal for free.
Yeah.
Look for that video.
And if you guys need something from Amazon or something, we have affiliate program now.
Right.
Associate program, actually, they call it. So we only just get a small percentage of that, and it's very secure. It's just like you clicking on Amazon buying something, but we get, if you click on our link first and then you go and buy anything you want, we get a small commission off that, which helps us, because right now it's been very expensive to travel.
Yes, it is.
And we're trying to get a little help on that. So not begging or nothing like that. But
no, but you know, you shop.
yeah. Right. Hey, this is Linus.
And Dana.
With Hitchin Up.
And Moving On.
And hope you enjoyed this video. It's just going to be a short video. And please like and subscribe to our channel. And check out our Amazon links. And so I'd say, though, as you're looking at the view we're in,
the best is yet to see.
Yeah. And every time we go somewhere, we see more and more places that are just the best.
Right.
And so thanks for watching. But we hope you enjoy this video for sure. This is just gorgeous out here. But isn't that a gorgeous view behind us, though? I just love that.
Beautiful.
I love that picture. We've had some really pretty videos this week. And we haven't lost a drone, and we haven't lost a GoPro yet. So we're very fortunate.
Very fortunate.
Oh, look at the reflection off the water.
Oh, it's incredible. Oh my gosh, how beautiful.
I stepped in something there. It felt me slide.
Oh! That was a snake with his little face poking out of a hole.
Oh, was there?
Yes. Did you not hear me scream?
I did.
I think I scared it more than it scared me. Because its little face came out and then it went right back in.
Oh, God.
This is where I should belong, inside a simple song, running